What up, peeps? Kyle with K&R Destinations. Today on K&R Eats, we're going to do something a little different, a little special. My wonderful son-in-law hooked me up with some deer meat, and we're going to make some burgers with it. But not just your normal burgers.
Of course not.
I mean, come on, it's us. So stick around and see what's cracking.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I mean.
So, let's take a gander at what we got. We're going to make this beautiful burger with, shall we? So, we got our deer meat all ready to go. Now, because it's so lean, I'm going to add a little bit of ground pork to it. That way it can put a little fat in that meat and we don't have to worry about overcooking it. We're also going to do some asparagus today. Now, the greatest thing about this is that we're going to wrap it in bacon, but we're also going to stuff it with cheese. I mean, come on, cheese makes everything great. I've got these Rosin's brioche buns that we're going to have on the burgers, but our new seasoning of the day is this Everglade seasoning all-purpose, which after reading the ingredients will be perfect for seasoning it. Now, the Everglade seasoning was a gift from Bob when we visited him. If you have not heard of Bob with Blue Wave, definitely go check them out. You need to remedy that. Blue Wave Odyssey. Now, what we're also going to do is we're going to put everything on the smoker, which should take it to next level. You know what I'm saying? All right, peeps, stick around. All right, so we're gonna get the venison and the pork mixed up here. Now my mixing bowl is not that huge, so but what I want to do, since this is 1 pound, I don't want to add a whole lot, just enough. So I figure 50% per pound should give me a pretty good consistency. Patty it up. Now I'm not going to get crazy with these single patties because we're actually going to double it up and we're going to stuff them. I try to keep these a little small. That way you're not getting like some big mega burger, but which is normally what we do, I ain't gonna lie. Alright. Disposable mixing bowl. Not just disposable. Compact. Goes away. Haha. There you have it. But we're not done. of that. Put some seasoning on here. Open that up a little bit more. There we go. All right, I got these cut.
What you got there?
Our first cook of the season.
What?
We got venison stuffed burgers wrapped in bacon, obviously, and asparagus wrapped in bacon. Gonna knock it out on the Green Mountain Grill. Now I've set the thing at like 300, so we can get a little bit of that crisp.
Crispy, crispy.
Oh. Skizzle, skizzle. Skizzle, skizzle. We've got some special guests. Random family is showing up. We're gonna see what they think. Well, she can't keep her off the asparagus, but here's gonna be the most glorious part. Look at that friggin'.
Woo! It's as big as your big head.
Not sure what that means, but
Good.
I gotta get a picture of this plate. That's what.
Oh my. the inside of that.
Oh, that looks like cooked to perfection. Whole thing's kind of neat. Yeah, yeah. So we had another random family show up. She's trying to. Yeah, her brain's going through all the math equations and how she's gonna get that to work.
It happened. It happened. I'm proud of my mouth. Proud of my mouth. The meat is good.
Oh, see. Good. Well, you heard it from him. I'm going to sit down and join these crazy people. But we appreciate it, brother. Hope you enjoyed. Try it out on your own. Deuces. Love you.